10 cat expressions for every day. Cat, got your tongue? This is said to somebody, especially a child, who stays silent when expected to speak. For example, after being asked a question. What's the matter? Cat, got your tongue?
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
What's the matter? Has the cat got your tongue?
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
Curiosity killed a cat. This saying is used to tell somebody not to ask questions or try to find out about things that do not involve them.
Curiosity killed the cat, officer.
You're being curious, and curiosity killed the cat.
Like a cat on a hot, thin roof. This expression means simply very nervous. She was like a cat on a hot, thin roof before her driving test. Like herding cats. This expression is used to describe a very difficult task, especially one that involves organizing people. For example, managing a political party is a lot like herding cats. If someone looks like something the cat brought or dragged in, it means they look dirty and untidy. No room to swing a cat. When somebody says, "There's no room to swing a cat," they mean that a room is very small and that there is not enough space. To play a game of cat and mouse with somebody or play cat and mouse with somebody. It means to play a cruel game with somebody in your power by changing your behavior very often so that they become nervous and do not know what to expect. For example, young car thieves enjoy playing cat and mouse with the police. To put or set the cat among the pigeons. It means to say or do something that is likely to cause trouble. For example, then she told them she was dropping out of college. That really set the cat among the pigeons.
Well, you really put the cat among the pigeons this time.
There's more than one way to skin a cat. It means there are many ways to achieve something.
But there are lots of ways to skin a cat.
There's more than one way to skin a cat.
There's more than one way to skin a cat.
No, there's always more than one way to skin a cat.
When the cat's away, the mice will play. It means that people enjoy themselves and behave with greater freedom when the person in charge of them is not there.
While the cat's away, the mice will play.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.